Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the world of project management with a guide on creating cost estimates using Monday.com. First things first, let's create a new board. Head to the left sidebar and click on Plus New, then Board. A board is essentially your project's home base. It allows you to organize, track, and manage all your project's details in one place. Now that we've done that, we need to add columns for our cost estimates. Click on Add Column, then choose Numbers. This is where you'll input your cost estimates. The reason we do this is to create a structured space for all our data, making it easier to manage and analyze. Next up, add your tasks and their respective cost estimates. Simply click on Add Item to add a task, then input your cost estimate in the Numbers column. This helps us because it allows us to see our project's expenses at a glance, helping us stay on budget. Now, let's add a formula column to automatically calculate the total cost. Click on Add Column, then choose Formula. Input the formula Sum Numbers and hit Enter. The formula column is essentially a calculator inside your board. It automatically does the math for you, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Finally, to visualize your cost estimates, use the Chart view. Click on Add View, then choose Chart. Select your Numbers column as your data source to see your costs represented in a graphical format. Charts are a great way to visually understand your project's financial status, allowing you to make informed decisions. And that's it. You've just created project cost estimates in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your project's budget and keep your team on track. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on project management.